Hi, welcome to our Web Shearers 1 review. Today I'm going to be looking at the Star Wars Happy Meal toys for 2010. As you know, McDonald's has been doing promotion with Star Wars and iCarly. I don't really like iCarly, but I watch it sometimes, but only if I'm bored. But anyway, alright, first thing we're going to look at the bag. I'm sad they didn't do a box like for the Clone Wars movie last. It's from 2008, but you win some, you lose some. Anyway, here we have the Star Wars logo in black with cool graphic. Of Darth Vader and a red lightsaber. And it's down here. There's Yoda. Got a half meal symbol right there. I'm loving it. It says, "Take the Yoda, can you?" Jedi Scramble. Side here. Let's see if I can see. It says, print your Star Wars target and see the Force come to life with cool 3D McD vision. See if I can straighten it out. And there it shows a kid in the Millennium Falcon with a blue lightsaber. It says, help defend McWorld from Darth Vader. HappyMeal.com. And of course on the back is the other promotion they are doing, which is iCarly. And same thing for the other side. But we're not doing iCarly today. We're not gonna do iCarly. We hate iCarly. Why? Because iCarly's lame. We're doing Star Wars, man. Star Wars is where it's at. Don't you ever forget that. Alright. Stop here for a minute. See what I found out. See what first one's up on the list. Around here. Okay, here we have the Republic gunship, which is number 4 on the list of toys. It has pretty good, detail for a McDonald's toy with the red paint on it, but it could be a bit brighter red. But I suppose that's what you get. See, get a good look at that. The cockpit's actually painted. It's actually painted. It could use more paint apps on the sides here. And the toy has a feature where you take this key with a cut on the back. You take this key and you insert it into the back of the Republic gunship. And you just set it down. See here. And you simply take it and it shoots forward. But here it is, the Republic gunship. Just put this back on first. And let's see what I pull out next. Oh, this is new. Here we have the Dark Lord of the Sith himself, Darth Vader, which is number 5 on the list of toys. He has, once again, he has no articulation. He's basically a brick of sorts, but he does have, what makes him cool is that he has this clip you can put on your belt, and you can take him to school with you, show off your Darth Vader pride. Says, I support Darth Vader, and I'm damn glad I do. Anyway, for detail, it's also pretty detailed, especially Vader's control box. See if I can get a zoom up on that. See that? Pretty good detail. The lightsaber is also painted, though the hilt is very largely overbig, very big, quite like the Burger King one from 2005. And and he has these. They also all the characters from this line have the super deformed style that was made very popular, but once again by Burger King in 2005. So I'm guessing McDonald's took a few notes when the episode 3 promotion was going on, and he comes with his very own temporary tattoo. Look at that! Look at that awesomeness! It's Vader right there. His artwork is from episode 3. It looks like, and then back there is the instructions on how to apply said tattoo. Said tattoo. Anyway, that's Darth Vader. See, alright. Let's see what else I got here. Here we have the X-Wing, made very famous by in episode 4, A New Hope, which is also number 8 on the list. Once again, it's kind of painted. It's got some of the orange, but the R2-D2. Let's see if I can show you this. The R2-D2 is not painted, but the cockpit is. Strange. Also, the wings are molded in. Therefore, if you wanted to have them spread out, you're out of luck. But let's see here. Unfortunately, I think there's a defect with mine where the key will not work sometimes. Will just pop out at random intervals. So I'm just going to use this backup key I got. This has a really popular picture, which we'll cover in a little bit. Just like the gunship, just point it, and it goes forward. But squeeze the key together, and it goes forward. Anyway, that's the X-Wing. That's the X-Wing Starfighter. Okay. Let's see what here we have Anakin Skywalker, the Chosen One. Once again, what's weird about this one is this is his style from the new Clone Wars series that's currently airing on Cartoon Network. Once again, no super deformed style. He does have a molded in Republic Jedi symbol on his armor thing. Okay, let's see if I can get a good picture on that one. See? Anyway, one other thing about all the character keepers is that, you open them up and you can store stuff in them. See? You can store stuff in them. Like, let's just see if I can experiment with something here. Like, I don't know what I could put in right now. I don't think I have anything on here to put in. Oh, hold on. You can put in a quarter. You can put some money in there. And, when you're low on cash and you're on a long trip and you want you're at these little rest stops, you can go to the vending machines, pull out your Anakin Skywalker and have the Chosen One guard your change. Oops. Looks like Anakin almost fell to the dark side. Anyway, but yeah, you can have him and he will guard your change. Who better to have the Chosen One to guard your pocket change? And also, like others, the other character keepers, he has his own tattoo, which depicts him from episode 3 for some reason. I do not know. Same instructions on the back. So